Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the VOLTME Revo series charger. This was sent to me by VOLTME. This is going to be the USB-C charger. It's a 30-watt charger. It's just a block here. It's foldable, so the prongs fold in, as well as it does come with a 3-foot cable. It works for the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 14, 14 Pro Max, 13 Galaxy, iPad, and more. Anything that's Type-C this will work for. As it does charge up to 30 watts, it's probably going to be pretty good for just about anything. You can get this for $12.99 or $13 on Amazon at the time of the recording of this video. So if you guys want to check this out, there will be a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and get this thing open and take a look at it. All right, so we got our trusty knife. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up and take a quick gander at it. So as you can see on the back here, it's the VOLTME Revo 30 Mini 2. It's a GAN tech charger. I don't know what GAN stands for. I don't remember. I'm sure you guys can tell me in the comments. All I know is it's a Type-C charger, which will work for pretty much about anything. I'll probably end up using it on my phone when I'm out and about, because I charge my phone using 5 watts when I go to sleep, because I think it's better for the battery. If you want to charge your phone quickly, these chargers are definitely a great option. So automatically we get the charger, which is braided, and it is a very nice cable. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at the brick. Here you've got the user manual. It says avoid dropping, which is interesting. Avoid extreme temperatures, don't expose the liquids. This is all pretty normal stuff. You obviously don't want to dunk your charger block into a pool of milk. Probably wouldn't be too good about it, but this is a packaging. It's pretty basic. You get the user manual, the charger brick, and then you obviously got the cable, and a little bit less use on plastic because you can recycle all this stuff. So let's go ahead and get the brick out, or the block. Some people call it a block. It's very heavy. I do like the feel of it. It's got Type-C here, which is where you plug it in. And then as I was saying earlier, this folds out, which is nice. So it's nice for traveling. Literally just take this with you. You can leave this plugged in, put it in your bag, and then if you need a charger, you can quickly pop this out and charge your device. This will also work really good for like an iPad, depending on which iPad you're using, because it is 30 watts. So that is a nice benefit. And your phone, if it doesn't take 30 watts, it won't use that 30 watts for charging capability. So that's the charger. You obviously got the brick, as I was talking about earlier. It's 11 volts with 3 amps. That's weird. And then 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 2 amps, 20 volts, 1.5 amps, 30 watt max. So that's just all the types of amounts of power it can deliver, because it's got to determine for different types of variations of devices that it needs to charge. So that is the charger. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged into something. I don't really know what, because I don't have much to plug it into. I don't think it'll charge my laptop. I have a MacBook Air. I don't think it'll charge that. My phone I'm using to record, so I can't really use that either. So give me one moment. All right, I've got my Nintendo Switch here. As you can see, the battery's pretty much already charged, but it's at 92%. I just haven't used it in a while, so it just turned on. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly just plug this in and make sure it charges the Nintendo Switch. So if you guys have a Nintendo Switch and you're looking for a good Type-C charger, then this would be your buy. As I said, all the links you need will be in the description below. So I went ahead and plugged it into the wall. So now all we're going to do is plug it in. And look at that, she's charging. So, there's not really a whole lot to talk about. It's a charger, it's going to work. I've never heard of the company called VOLTME. So I want to thank VOLTME. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video and sending me this device out so I had the chance to look at it. It looks like a decent charger, and I definitely think you guys should check it out. There will be an Amazon link in the description below. But yeah, she charges the Switch, no problem. She's charging it. It's at 92%. I'm not going to sit here and let it charge, because it's obviously going to charge it just fine, and it's going to take what power it needs from the power supply, which that being the brick. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy this video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out.